Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a fantastic week. So as some of you guys may know, we are heading to Gisborne for Ryhthm and Vines with gypsyfestnz, and we are on the way now. We're currently in Papamoa area, so it will take us another 3.5 hours to get there. But how exciting is that? Jolene, one of the owners from gypsyfestnz, it's like a new glitter and gems New Zealand brand. Anyway, Jolene contacted me and asked me if I wanted to work with them over the New Year's period between the 29th and the 31st, like applying gems and glitter to people at Ryhthm and Vines. So how cool is that? And we'll be promoting gypsyfestnz there, and there's going to be like a big stall and everything. So I said, why not? Like, how fun would that be? And we're staying at a batch as well, and that's like 20 minutes from Ryhthm and Vines, and I'm excited to do this because I've never been to a festival before, and I've never been to Ryhthm and Vines before. And I said I will do it if Matthew gets to come, so his Ryhthm and Vines tickets are paid for as well, so that is so cool. He just had to pay for accommodation, but I didn't have to because I'm promoting their brand and I'm working for them. So all our Ryhthm and Vines tickets and accommodation is paid for, and how cool is that? I can't wait. So yeah, this is like our first big road trip. We haven't been on like a big road trip before. We've been like up to Auckland, which is 2 hours, but we've never been to like Gisborne before or traveled past like Auckland areas anyway. So this is gonna be a long drive. So yeah, of course I got Matthew to drive. So I'll be vlogging this whole trip, and I'll try and get as much footage as I can for you guys at Ryhthm and Vines, and like what I'll be doing and stuff and everything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys like this vlog. I do know some of you guys wanted to see more vlogs from me. Sorry if I keep looking up in the screen. I'm so not used to this kind of camera. I have to look in the lens. But some of you guys wanted to see more vlogs from me, so here is another one for New Year's and what we get up to, and I hope you guys like it. Nothing beats some KFC, yum! I got the extra seasoned chips. These are like my favorite. Where are we right now?
Whakatane.
We're in Whakatane right now, so we thought we'd stop off and get some KFC. Yummy. So hungry. It's like 3 o'clock already.
Standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone.
Okay, we just got to a bloody gas station. We're in the Wops. We're driving like through the mountain range, and my car only had like 1 strike of gas, and I've never like run it past 2 strikes, and we were like freaking out wondering where the hell the next gas station was because we had no service. Like, imagine that, putting out in the middle of nowhere with no service, and you're like in a mountain range. So we found this little like pay yourself station. Matthew's just filling up now. Oh my gosh, and I just realized when the doors open it's much colder here. This beast.
Oh.
That's a sign for the Gypsy Fest stall at Ryhthm and Vines. Did I do a good job?
Yes, you did.
People starting to come in for camping. Here's the Gypsy Fest tent. We're going to set it up.
It's common there.
Organising the
it's one in like 5.
Really?
Get it?
Wow.
Pretty. Still trying to be healthy over the holiday season. Matthew made meal prep. No, it saves time buying lunch though. The weather's pretty shit. It's like windy as, so we don't know what to do today. Here's the Gypsy Fest tent. We got our models. We got Lee with his glitter beard and Matthew. Yay, got the glitter. Here's everything you can get. You can even get boobs done. What one did I get? I got this one. Okay, this is what I look like. I've got my staff, what's this called? Staff band. I put like some glitter under there as well. Looks pretty cool. Yay! Everyone's got ponchos on because it's raining. The weather doesn't look promising though, but we're hoping for some good weather. Come on, Mother Nature. Go and follow Gypsy Fest on Instagram. Okay, we've just been sitting in the Gypsy Fest tent. It is like currently raining and like really bad weather, but we made 5 sales so far. Yay! And lots of people are coming back later, so that's exciting. I think I'm gonna wear this like tomorrow as well, like this kind of style. I really like it. This guy came and got like a chest piece on his boobs, and then he like went and did a dive bomb apparently, and he came back to get another one, so that was pretty funny. But yeah. So far so good. We're just waiting for this rain to clear, and maybe after I finish at 5 today, so hopefully we can go and party after that.
In the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go.
It is now the 30th today. I'm feeling a little bit tired, so I'm just wearing no makeup and glasses, but I'm going back to the Gypsy Fest stall at 5 PM tonight to midnight. So we're just today we're heading to the Rere Falls, I think that's how you say it, and apparently there's like a big rock slide, and it's like all like slime, and you just go right down the hill and into the water. It's like a really popular tourist attraction, so we're heading there today for a few hours, and then we'll head back at like 2 o'clock or something. But yesterday ended up being really fun. It got super busy between like 2 o'clock and 6 o'clock. A lot of people came to get like gems and glitter, and it was funny because more guys came and got like glitter and stuff than girls. But yeah, it ended up being fun, and we just went up like on the hill and was listening to Swidit. He's like a DJ, and also Mira Massa, and who else did we see? Sachi as well. So we missed Schoolboy Q because we didn't want our ride leaving, so we just went back to the stall, and we decided to go home at like 10:30. Oh no, it was like 10 o'clock. So yeah, but tomorrow I'm working from 10 till 4, so that gives me the afternoon to like party and drink and have fun until New Year's night. So yeah, anyway, it'll be exciting to go to these falls, and we're going to see how they're like, and Matthew's going to get some drone footage. And it is a nice day, as you can see. Oh my gosh, yes, it's been like a horrible 2 days of wind and rain, so we're so glad it's sunny. It was actually quite hot.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. to this place. We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings.
Here's the Rere Rock slide. Everyone goes down on like tubes and mattresses and boogie boards. We saw it online. Oh my god, there's heaps of people.
But I'll be holding you. 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 Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too.
We're about to head to RNV for day 2 and I'll be at the stall from 5 PM till 12 tonight, so that'll be super fun. I can't wait to see who comes to the stall and who to glam and glitz up. I've done my makeup for today, but I haven't done like any of the gems, but as soon as I get there I'll cover myself in glitter and gems, which is so fun. So yeah, I'm just wearing like a brown smoky eye and this has been my favorite lipstick. It's like Dose of Colours Cork with Dose of Colours Sand in the center, and a few girls have asked me about it like coming to the stall as well, so I really like that new lip colour and I'm just wearing my hair down today.
I'll be holding
Day 3 of RNV today with gypsyfestnz. Yay, it was so fun yesterday. Today we're probably working till like 5 or something, and then after we'll go and chill and party for New Year's night. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. This is a top from Glasses, and then these pants from Gamiss, and these shoes are just from Kmart. And I'm just wearing a necklace from White Fox Boutique, and this one's also from White Fox Boutique, and these earrings are from Gamiss. So yeah, that's the outfit of the day and night. Hey guys, we are heading back home now. We left at like 11:30 from the house. We had a really good night last night. I ended up working at the Gypsy Fest tent till 7 just because it was getting so busy. So many girls and guys are like coming up to the Gypsy Fest tent. The hell, what did my boom just say? I don't know. But yeah, so many girls came up to the
home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Don't know what the fuck my boom's.
The home point has been take off.
Listen, what? It's connected to my boom, oi. Anyway, so yeah, it was so fun. I ended up drinking like a lot in the car. And I met so many new girls and guys, and it was so fun. Like, it just reminded me of being overseas in America, like when we went to that snake pit, and just so many people wanted to get to know us and talk to us, and it was so fun. Our voices are not the best this morning. I'm sounding a bit horrible. But yeah, we danced like all night, and as you could see in my last clips, there was like so many people all up the hill, and it was such a nice countdown, and they had fireworks. And yeah, it was just so fun, and I had so many drinks. I don't normally drink, but I had a lot, and I'm not wearing makeup again today. It feels good to just put glasses on because look at this. I look friggin' horrible, but then when I put glasses on, it just makes it look so much better. So yeah, we said bye to the girls, Jolene and Nicole, and their partners. I'm just so tired. We're at the we're in the gorge, and it's funny because it takes like 5 hours to get back home, but there's so many cars like pulled over with people like spewing all out the sides. They're probably like hungover passengers. But yeah, we woke up at 10 this morning, so I'm quite surprised. Matthew's just flying his drone out in the gorge to get some good shots. But yeah, I hope you guys had an amazing New Year's night, and I hope you guys really liked this vlog because I did put a lot of effort into filming everything and getting like all the footage for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys had an amazing New Year's, and it's so weird how it's 2018 now. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a big sleep in the car because I'm super tired, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye.